Hi guys, Mark here, Mark's Matchbox Memories. Coming over the next few weeks now, we're going to be seeing new videos uploaded to the channel. As you can see, I look vastly different as I do the last video I uploaded. That was done roughly 2 years ago. On my other channel, I ride a rally. Yes, I'm an avid bikes fan. As you can see, I've lost shitloads of weight. Much trimmer, slimmer and thinner these days than I was 18 months ago. In fact, altogether I lost around 10 stone, or about 140 pounds in weight. I know I'm about 12 stone down from about 21 stone. So what's this little chat about? Okay, all the videos up till now on Mark's Matchbox Memories have been old videos I brought over from Celtic Crossbows, one of my other channels, and I Ride a Rally. All these channels are all low viewer figures, same as this one, so I don't get paid for any of it. All I ask you to do when you watch your channels, you hit the notifications bell and you'll click likes, share, subscribe and comments below. You know, all the usual funky fun stuff. The reason I ask you to do this is, and you see lots of channels asking you to do it, like Danny's Diecast, Marty's Matchbox Memories, etc. Makeovers, is if the algorithms don't pick up the videos, the channel dies because YouTube does not show the channel. Now, up until now, I've been paying to promote my videos via Celtic Crossbows, which I get paid roughly £10 a month for. It's enough to get me as a Google member as I promote my videos. Okay, so up till now, this first month of the channel has cost me £350, roughly $400 US, to get the videos promoted, etc. As you can see them. I've hit the wall now. I'm officially skint. So all I ask you guys is completely free. Help me out. Hit the old notifications bell. Top right side, shape like a little bell, like this one. And when you do that, whenever I upload a new video, it'll show it to your YouTube subscription. Now, coming up over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be doing a remake on this truck. I bought this truck, not NOS, but Mint original. And one day coming on the stairs, I dropped it. As I talking to you now, I'll open it. And the one trailer, which I nearly cried when I done it. Let's get out here. I snapped one of the rear doors off. It's in the box for you. Yeah, I snapped the doors off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt on a vintage matchbox, my first vintage matchbox, follow Marty on his channel, and I would go myself at restoring this trailer. There is some light scuffing on the top from where she fell and the door snapped off. I managed to get some reprinted doors from eBay. I can't remember the name of the company. So that's what I'm going to be doing on the channel over the next couple of videos. Is my first restoration on one of these. So hopefully get back to a nice minty original set. So that's what I like to be doing with that. In the meantime, guys, I ask you please go over on the videos of the loose trucks and things like that, which I do the daily uploads on. Could you hit the old notifications on them, as you know what's coming through when and next. Okay, so that's the next couple of days covered doing the work on those. I don't know exactly what all the tools I'm going to need next, so we're going to be finding this out as we go along. And the upload at the end of it then, it'll probably be the first video up in April, I should imagine. So I'll be the first of the new videos for this channel, the full length videos. Some of the new videos I've done for this channel, you will notice the difference. When you watch the shorts, you notice that the picture format changing from 720p to 1040p up to 4K HD, etc. And I've slowly got better with YouTube over the last 3.5 years. And what I'm aiming for, I want that silver plaque. I don't care about the money. I want that YouTube plaque. So help me out, guys. I want it. I'm up to, if I could combine my figures together, I've hit the 100,000 YouTube followers to get me that plaque. But unfortunately with YouTube, it don't work like that, because with YouTube, it's really clever. Although my total views across the 3 channels and subscribers totally far exceed what's YouTube requirements, they say no, is each individual channel. Therefore, they can force you to push out more videos, which they can show more adverts, which means they get more revenue while you're paying out yourself for the channel to get the things done. All I use for my channel is an old Samsung S8 mobile phone to do all my editing and everything on, and a GoPro 9. So, because I'm a full-time carer for my mother, this is the begging bit. Don't know money, just please guys, help me out, hit the all like button, the shares and subscribes now, because I have no other income apart from my basic social services. So, right, so keep watching guys, stay tuned, hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment below, all that really good stuff which means the world to me, and keep watching and we can see then how things go from here, and let's hope things get better. I really hope they do, because like I said, it's been an expensive month, because it's that's why if you've been watching the other channels, you've joined me from the other channels, thank you guys. Comment below. I know Mark from America, you joined me over to I Ride a Rally from Celtic Crossbows. So help me out guys, all equipment costs money, a lot of money to put these videos out. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks and bye bye.